Hello guys, I'm trying something a little bit new. Do apologise if this gets a bit random or anything like that, but I'll put it up anyway because it's me and I really don't care. Rule one. So if it goes a bit light and dark, you know what I'm like for walking around the place while I'm talking about things, and you could have a laugh because I'll be walking backwards and potentially walking into doors and things like that. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to do some little videos and intros or whatever to help you with your digital portfolio. So unit 3, I'll get it right in a minute. See, it's going to be exactly like one of my lectures. I'm already off on one. So unit 3, digital portfolio. It's a critical unit on your course. It's one of the core units, and it's a half unit. So unfortunately, it also requires quite a lot of work. Hopefully you'll be able to use some of your web design principles in it from Andy's lessons, which will be really good. I have made the decision that rather than getting you to decide to do the website from scratch, that I'm going to get you to use some kind of easy online tool or something like that. Excuse me, I'm just going to adjust my selfie stick because it's pissing me off already. Oops. Right, so unit 3 is basically about creating a online advert for yourself. So it's a website that explains your achievements today and creates a record of your work done and says a bit about you. Really, really important to get this kind of thing becoming more and more common in people creating digital portfolios, especially for software web development jobs, so they can show off what they've done, what they've achieved, and so on and so forth. So over the next rest of this term, we're going to be reviewing what a digital portfolio is. We're going to be designing a digital portfolio. You'll have to write some elements. You might even be able to use some of the stuff from your BTC Advantage if you've done some of that. And then eventually what you'll start doing is putting up your marked work. So putting up assignment work that you've done, linking to any websites, putting up like software or anything like that that you have created as a general kind of portfolio of evidence towards the unit. As you can see, we will be doing doing this via Google Classrooms. And therefore, as usual, all the work will be submitted via Google Drive, and then you'll link to your website, which, as I've said, you can use various online easy website creation tools, which we'll go through in class. All right, hope that makes sense to you and gives you a basic idea of how the unit will run.